It was day 11, and I almost walked away. But then I saw her, a small fawn, standing still, not running, not afraid, just waiting. Something wasn't right. She wasn't alone. I stepped closer. And that's when I saw it. Her mother, trapped, unable to move, too weak to escape.
The wire was tight. Too tight. She had been there for a long time. And the fawn never left her. Not even for a second.
Easy, easy. Hold on, I'm gonna get this off you. Just stay calm.
I wasn't prepared for this. No help. No signal.
Shh, easy there. It's okay.
Just me. And a choice. Walk away or stay. Every movement mattered. Too fast. And she could panic. Too slow. And it might be too late. The wire was deeper than I thought. But I couldn't stop now. Finally, the tension broke. She was free, but not safe. Not yet. Her body was weak. Every step still uncertain. The forest was changing. Light fading, air getting colder. And something else was out there, watching. Waiting. If she couldn't move, then I had to stay. I didn't have much time. Just enough to build something, anything that could keep us alive. The wind picked up. The trees started to move. Night was coming fast, and this place was no longer safe. Slowly, she tried to stand.
Easy now, easy. That's it. Let's
Every
get you up.
movement, a struggle. But she didn't give up, and neither did the fawn.
Step by step, she moved forward. Not strong, but strong enough. Towards something that might save her.
That night, everything changed. No more fear, no more running, just quiet. For the first time, they were safe. By morning, she was different, stronger, steadier, ready. And then she walked, not away from me, but back to where she belonged. And just like that, they were gone, back into the wild, together.